Hello guys, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. So sometimes when we have pain in the body, even in the neck, it can be related to muscles imbalance, but also from tension we have underneath our feet. So let's try to release that. I'm going to use the tennis ball. Later on, I'm going to use the golf ball. So let's start with the tennis ball. So I want you to find tension right here underneath your foot. And you're going to stay 30 seconds every sore spot. So I don't know where's your tension. Okay, so you're going to try to find it and stay right there. 30 seconds, and I want you to breathe. I won't stay 30 seconds with you guys because I want to cover a little bit more here. So, and then after the 30 seconds, you're going to switch it up. Another thing you can do, try to lift your toes, okay? And you're going to feel a little bit more. So make sure you're not crunching here. You're not rounding your shoulders. Stay nice and tall and just go again. Find tension. I've been doing it for a while, guys. So for me, the tennis ball is not enough anymore. But I want you to start with that. So I have a little bit of tension right here underneath the arch of my foot. And I know I walk like a duck. Majority of us, like we walk like that, okay? So that means our arch is collapsing. Look at my knee. The knee is going in, then the hips is rotating in, the pelvis tilt forward, and it creates an imbalance all the way to the top of our right here, head and neck, okay? So by releasing, we're going to create again some movement right here underneath the foot. And in all my classes, I always say, press your big toes right into the floor, elevate your arch again. That way, it's going to correct your entire posture from the feet all the way up to your head. Okay? So find another tension after the 30 second. Again, lift the chest. Good. And all the way up to your heels. If it's not enough, you've been doing it for a while, you want to give it a try with the golf ball. Go ahead. I'm going to scream. I feel it way more. And again, I'm lifting my toes. That's why I'm going to feel it even more. So shoulders are down and back. Find tension. I have some tension underneath my little toe. Okay. And I know, see, I'm just going, try to go right underneath the toes as well. Right there. There we go. Yeah, I find some right there. And you just need to keep breathing at 30 seconds per sore spot. I can spite easily 5 minutes per foot. Seriously. And I'm going to find more tension right there. If it's too hard for you to do it standing, do it seated, but you won't have the same pressure. Okay? There we go. So try to keep breathing. And again, stay there 30 seconds per sore spot. Eventually, try to lift your toes. I know. I feel it. Trust me. I have a big one right there. Okay? And trust me, just by releasing tension or pain underneath right here, it's going to release your pain even in your neck. So please don't hesitate to leave me comments. I want to know how you're doing. See you soon.